You see them everywhere. Custom t-shirts at markets, matching family reunion outfits, and unique designs on Etsy. Have you ever wondered how those are made? More importantly, have you wondered if you could do it? The answer is yes. And the tool you need is simpler and cheaper than you think, the humble heat press. Forget the massive screen printing machines you see in factories. With a heat press and about $200, you can start a profitable side hustle from your kitchen table this weekend. You don't need to be an artist, you don't need a storefront. You just need the ability to follow a simple process. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to turn a blank piece of cotton into $25 in your pocket. First, let's talk about the gear. This is where you start, and it's very low risk. You need 4 things. Number 1, the heat press. You can find a quality 15 by 15-inch swing-away press on Facebook Marketplace for under $150, or grab an entry-level model online. It's a one-time investment. Number 2, the vinyl. This is called heat transfer vinyl or HTV. Brands like Sizer or Cricut are great. A roll costs about $10 to $15 and will make multiple shirts. Number 3, the blanks. You need shirts. You can buy a 3-pack of quality Gildan or Bella plus canvas shirts for around $15 to $20. And number 4, a weeding tool. This little hook tool is essential for picking the excess vinyl out of your design. Optionally, you'll want a cutting machine like a Cricut or Silhouette to cut your designs automatically. But for absolute beginners, you can even cut simple shapes with sharp scissors. So how does this actually work? It's a 4-step process. Step 1, design. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Go to canva.com, find a template, and add text. Think of a niche: funny dog quotes, gym motivation, teacher slogans. Keep it simple and bold. Step 2, cut. Load your vinyl into your cutting machine. The machine will trace your design perfectly. Step 3, weed. This is the most satisfying part. Lay your vinyl on a surface, grab your weeding tool, and pick out all the excess pieces. You're left with your designs stuck to a clear carrier sheet, like a sticker. Step 4, press. Place your shirt on the heat press, preheat it for a second to remove wrinkles. Place your design where you want it. Press down the handle. Set your timer for 15 seconds at about 305 degrees. When the timer goes off, peel the carrier sheet. And just like that, you have a professional-grade t-shirt. Now a shirt on your table is worth $0. A shirt on a customer is worth $25. You have 3 simple ways to sell. Method 1, Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace filled with people looking for unique gifts. Take good photos of your shirt on a flat lay or a model. List it for, say, $27.99. When it sells, you print it and ship it. It's called print on demand, but you're doing the printing yourself. Method 2, local markets and Facebook. Post your shirts on Facebook Marketplace. Offer local delivery or pickup. You skip shipping costs and processing fees. You take cash, and the profit is instant. Method 3, pre-orders. This is the zero-risk method. Post a video of you making the shirt on TikTok or Instagram Reels. If people like it, they will ask to buy it. You take their money, then you buy the materials and make it. You never waste money on a shirt that doesn't sell. Once you've sold your first few shirts, you need to think in batches. Don't make one shirt at a time. Spend one evening making 10 shirts with the same popular design. It takes the same amount of time to set up and weed one as it does to weed 5. This is where the math gets exciting. If your cost per shirt is $6 and you sell it for $25, your profit is $19. Sell 5 shirts in a week, that's $95 of pure profit. Sell 20 and you've got a serious part-time income. The barrier to entry in this business is incredibly low. The equipment is affordable, the learning curve is short, and the demand is everywhere. People love wearing their identity, and you can be the person who prints it for them. All it takes is that first press. Get the tools, make the design, and list it for sale. Your side hustle starts today.